Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord not opening on PC. First, click the search tab on the taskbar and search Task Manager. Open Task Manager and you'll find all the processes taking place in the CPU. Click Discord to view the performance of the app on the device and close all tasks. Next, open the Add or Remove Programs folder by searching it in the bar. You'll be directed to the Settings folder to view all the installed applications. Scroll down the installed apps list to find the Discord app. Click the three dots icon and select the uninstall option. Now launch the run by pressing Windows plus R on the keyboard. Type %LOCALAPPDATA% and then click OK. The folder will open and you have to search the Discord folder. Right click on Discord and then delete this folder. Now in the run window, type app data. Click OK and it'll open the app data folder. Go to local and right click the Discord folder. After that, delete the folder to remove all the cached data. Open your web browser and search Discord. Click the download link to open the Discord website. Here, hit the download button to install the latest version of the app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.